It's been a while since I've done a dupes video, and I know you guys love these low-cost DIYs of high-end home decor, so let's get crafting with the first spring Kirkland's dupe. Isn't this a welcome sign the cutest? I love the bunny ears on top, and let me show you what I found at Dollar Tree to help us make this for a lot less than $30. Look at the size of this sign. I'm trying to get the whole thing in the frame so I could show you how tall it is. It was $5 at Dollar Tree and it's quite sturdy, but since Valentine's Day is over, let's give it a makeover. I'm not a fan of this red glitter. Actually, I'm not a fan of glitter at all. So a little sanding and vacuuming will help us out here. The letters and heart are raised, so I'm going to spray paint the whole thing and then go in and paint the letters and heart. I want to mention real quick that today I'm part of a group collab. There will be a playlist with all these talented ladies who are also sharing spring crafts. So make sure to check out that link in my description box after you're done watching my video. If you're new here, welcome to Artsy Cupcake. My name is Maria and I love sharing ways to get artsy crafty and decorate your home. If you're not already part of this creative community, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you'll know when I post new inspiration. Next, we're going to work on the bunny ears. I picked up this foam core from Dollar Tree. They also have white foam core, but all I had on hand was black. I'm tracing the bunny ears, and I know it's kind of hard to see here on the black foam core, but I'm just freehanding that, and then I'm going to trim them out with an X-Acto knife. You can find this microfiber cloth at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to cut some pink fabric for the middle of the ears, and I'm going to glue this onto the foam core with my new Gorilla Glue spray mount. This was the first time I used this spray mount, so there was like a few little extra globs that came out when I first sprayed it, but then after the initial spray, it did come out nice and smooth. Here were the supplies we had to pick up for this project. And here is mine next to the Kirkland's one. What do you guys think? Pretty close, right? I thought this centerpiece was really simple and elegant. I liked the look of the box and the soft pastel colors, but $70 is a lot of money for florals, so let's see how much cheaper we can make this. I started with this sturdy cardboard box. I like how this box has a linen type texture on it, and we'll use a light brown paint to match the Kirkland's inspiration piece. I like to use floral wire to cut my floral foam, and it's not perfect, but it's close enough. We'll be covering all this up with moss anyway. With the size of the candles I'm using and my box being a little shorter, I'm only going to use 2 candles instead of 3 like the Kirkland's one. I have a lot of greenery here and I placed the candles first so I know how much space I have around the edge. These are all my Easter decorations. I have some pastel eggs, and these little wooden items are from Target Dollar Spot. I placed those eggs around the edge, and I love how they add a nice bit of color to our centerpiece. Ugh, moss is always so messy to work with. If you feel that the box looks a little bare, you could add a ribbon to the top or the bottom just to give it something special. I'm trying to get mine as close as possible to the Kirkland's one, so I'm going to leave the ribbon off. Here were the supplies we needed. And here's mine next to the Kirkland's one. I thought this Easter sign was so sweet, and the soft colors go really well with our spring decor today. Now, I don't have a Cricut, so let's figure out a way to make this sign and all the lettering without a Cricut and for a lot less than $20. I had picked up this wooden sign from Target, and I've used it for a couple different projects already. I'm always upcycling my old supplies because I don't like anything to go to waste. I started by measuring it to see how big I need to make our sign. Then I put the inspiration photo in the background and designed around it. I printed those out and then painted the back of the wooden sign. I trimmed out our design and then used spray mount to attach it to the wood sign. Next, we'll trim out those extra carrots. I thought it would be nice to add some dimension to our sign, and we'll use a piece of foam tape on the backs of these so they're raised up from the rest of the sign just a bit. Now we need to conceal the edge of the paper. There's a lot of different ways you could do this. I think I'll use some greenery to match the green stems we have on the sign. But first I want to use this rope to hide the rough edge on the outside of the sign. After we glue our bow to the back, the finishing touch is to conceal where the rope meets the middle. Here were the supplies we used. And here is mine next to the Kirkland's version. If you got a few ideas from my video today, I would really appreciate a like and also a subscribe from you because I have so much more to share. And don't forget to check out that playlist link so you can see more spring ideas from my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very creative day. Bye!